That shotgun knocks back.
Shit.
Yes. Yes,
That's
it
what
does.
force in nature.
What's the nature?
It has the knockback attribute.
It's a force in nature. Bonk.
Damn it.
Boink.
That fucking earth bomb of yours.
I'm sorry.
You got hiccups,
God.
sweetie?
I think he does.
Just saw her a second ago. Where'd she go? The hell?
Do you want me to kick you really hard in the chest, Phantom? Like, break a couple of ribs hard?
No.
I know what. I know what scares Phantom. Timothy Oliphant.
Yeah!
Aw,
I
Phantom's
thought
got
that
hiccups.
scared you or something.
Shut up!
They're not as squeak. They're not.
I don't have any water left.
Aw. Good. And I have it all recorded.
What?
Yes. I told you, Callgraph records everything.
It
Good
records
girl.
everything.
How does that work? I hate logic.
It does. It just. But this game does not run on such devices.
Mm.
Phantom sounds like he's having fun.
What?
Behind you.
Oh no! Grip.
Hey, buddy.
Don't touch me.
Poke Sky.
No!
Yeah.
Shake Phantom.
Sorry, Phantom. Oh, there we go.
No!
I'm not good at this map. I hate for picking this
He's
map.
hiccuping in the middle of his screams.
Oh, Cole, you want to know what's happening?
What?
It's called I'm being a dick and shooting the ground out from underneath.
Of course, that's the only way to do it.
Later.
Fuck.
Tee.
Out! No!
I can be a dick too.
What did you do? No, I'm losing.
I gotta sneeze, but I can't sneeze. I hate
Yay,
that.
teamwork, bitches. Ow. Ow. I'm gonna die.
Ow.
Yeah, this is a treasure, so I'll just stow it away inside the treasure box.
Ow.
He's hiccuping in the middle of his screams. It's wonderful.
Shut up!
Yeah.
Ugh.
Poor Fanny.
Delicious screams of anguish.
God damn it, Hunter. Totally screenshotted that.
Everyone dance at...
What, the fact I punched him?
Everyone dance at the
You can
results
dance
screen.
if you want to.
Ow.
You can
Leave
leave
your
your
friends
friends
behind.
because if your friends don't dance, and if
Ah!
you don't dance, well, they're no friends
couldn't
of
you
mine.
jump? Just put me in the middle of the battlefield, why don't you? Fuck you, Nether. I knew that was you.
Oh
Oh my god, that is adorable.
Aw.
no! What?
Aw.
You son of a bitch!
Hi, Taro.
Ah! Ah!
Behind you.
No, wait.
That does slightly more damage. Save it again. Sounds like Phantom's having fun.
Fuck you!
He's my man, bitch.
Ow, what the?
Ow.
Ugh.
She kicked my ass.
And I chewed your bubblegum.
And you chew through
Who
bubblegum?
did that? Nether.
More like Hunter.
Uh,
This is now the shift the blame game.
Oh, I should have gotten more of that. Oh well.
Ow, son of a bitch, Hunter.
Hey,
Whoa.
I'm killing people. Whoa, no, you get fitty bitty fitty bitty.
I did not just do that to myself.
No, that was me.
And now I butt dog.
I'm sorry, dear.
Hugs Phantom. Hugs Phantom.
Whoa, I've narrowly avoided that.
Fun fact, everyone but me has a melee weapon.
Can we stop doing that, please?
Oh, no!
There we go. That's a bet.
Ow.
Wait, how does that count as a... Okay, well, fine. Don't care. Whatever.
Oh!
Got him. I got him. You son
Throne.
of a bitch.
This is my throne.
Die!
Hug Sky.
You did not just
Ugh.
dance.
Yes, I did. I was the last one around.
Well, he can dance if he wants to.
You know what? That's what you get.
You can actually blame Phantom.
Ah.
He led me to that scenario. Well,
Yes, it is. It is possible, Mr. Announcer Person.
Alright. Loom.
What?
Piano.
Yay!
nothing but love.
Need to make candelabra.
Don't cry.
Cry and die, Phantom.
Don't cry. No,
What? No! What?
Phantom, we are not going with 23 wins. Just saying.
Oh my god, no!
Aw, so cute. I don't care if I lose. And I have it all recorded.
Yay!
Dance! Dance, you fool! Never mind, they're about to respawn.
I taste that
That's
bacon.
what you get for having something very nasty.
Ow.
Finally.
Oh!
You and the horse you rode on.
Oh!
Don't cry.
It's because I shot him.
Nice
guy.
Same thing happened to me.
That was completely by accident.
No.
Shut up!
He's so cute.
Shut up! Not!
Wait, what? Oh god, I killed myself. I think.
Later.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Well, you killed me.
Good. I see.
There's more times.
Fuck you, Chie wannabe.
Dance.
Pack up.
Dance again. I wanted to
Well,
dance.
I wanted to kill you.
Freedom of
Chie wannabe
speech.
says.
Well, Cherry Wannabe can also dance, so
Ow!
I'm just gonna keep doing so.
Candelabra back. Okay.
Ow.
Screenshot him dancing.
I can't. I'm
You can
busy
dance
trying
if
not
you
to
want.
die, if that's okay with you.
Go, friend.
Yeah.
Later.
They don't dance well. They're no friends of mine.
No.
Thank you, God.
Watch out behind you.
Ah!
Fuck.
No!
You
Shut
can't
up!
make me shut up. You're adorable.
Yeah! Neither!
It's your fault for staying in a place where I can do that.
I can't get up.
Aww.
Die.
I'm going.
Dylan would freak when I give her this.
And now I dance.
I'm totally giving it to her. And
Please,
Yes.
no!
your dog has a right to know how cute you are.
No!
It's where she gets her squeak ups.
Hey, buddy.
Now it all makes sense. Wait, what? Ooh.
I was like that, and you came close, like, hey, buddy. How you doing?
Lol. Lol 69. I want to dance on.
Thank God.
I'm gonna be broken if we win with 69. Also, hi, Phantom.
Ah.
I seen ya. Ah.
Thank you for. Oh.
And now I dance.
He's right behind you, you know.
Phantom?
I
Nice.
tried. It didn't.
See? I took her out.
Ow.
God damn it, guide.
Ah!
Hunter! You know, I think I got a nice picture of Hunter's breasts when Phantom was right behind her.
Good
That's
night.
Good night,
great.
good night,
Save
sweet
it.
prince.
Ugh.
Ow.
And that counted.
Ugh. Both of you dance at the results screen.
Yay!
Both of you dance. Dance.
There we go.
I do not dance.
Awesome. Now I have lots of screenshots of